Hi, my name is Lisa and welcome to Wellness Radar. Just a few months ago, I was 30 pounds heavier, constantly tired, and honestly, I just didn't feel like myself anymore. But here's the twist: I didn't join a gym. I didn't hire a trainer. I didn't follow some crazy crash diet. Instead, I made small, realistic changes to my lifestyle and they completely transformed my body and my mind. So today, I'm sharing exactly how I lost 30 pounds without ever going to the gym. Let's get started. Hitting my breaking point, let me take you back to the moment it all started. I pulled out my favorite jeans only to realize I couldn't button them anymore. One evening, I was getting ready for a family dinner. I was skipping meals, then overeating at night. I was constantly stressed. I had no energy, and exercise that felt impossible. I stood in front of the mirror, disappointed and frustrated. Not because of how I looked, but because I knew I hadn't been taking care of myself. That night, I promised myself, no more crash diets, no more guilt. Just simple, healthy choices that I could actually stick to. Why the gym wasn't for me, let me be honest. I tried the gym in the past, but every time I felt overwhelmed, I didn't know what to do. I felt out of place, and with my busy schedule, I could never go consistently. Just 15 minutes at first, then 20. Meal prepping also helped a lot. On Sundays, I'd cook a few simple meals: grilled chicken, roasted veggies, brown rice, then 30. So instead of forcing something that didn't work for me, I decided to approach movement in a different way. That way, I always had something healthy ready when I got hungry. I started walking. I didn't worry about intensity. I just moved my body every single day. Fixing my relationship with food, sometimes it was in the morning, sometimes it was after dinner. I didn't follow any strict diet, but I became more mindful. No gym, no pressure, just progress. I replaced them with water, herbal teas, and sparkling water. I still ate rice, bread, and pasta, but in moderation. Next came the biggest piece of the puzzle: food. I used the stairs instead of the elevator. I moved during TV shows, marching in place, stretching, or doing squats. First, I cut out sugary drinks. No more sodas, no more fruit juices. Next, I reduced my portion sizes. I learned to listen to my body. I stopped eating when I felt full, and I stopped snacking out of boredom or stress. No fad diets, just real food in reasonable amounts. I stopped eating after 8 p.m. Instead of chips, I air-fried sweet potatoes or grabbed popcorn. Building tiny habits that changed everything. Weight loss wasn't just about eating better. It was about changing my habits slowly and sustainably. If I messed up, I forgave myself, and I got back on track the next day. Here are some of the small things I did that made a big difference. It didn't happen overnight, but day by day, those habits added up. I started sleeping earlier, 7 to 8 hours every night. I drank a glass of water first thing in the morning. I kept healthy snacks nearby like nuts, yogurt, and fruit. I had more energy. I didn't get winded going upstairs anymore. Let me tell you, this journey wasn't perfect. You just need to start today, right now, and that's okay. Instead of chocolate, I had dark chocolate or a protein shake. Make one healthy choice at your next meal. Dealing with cravings and setbacks, your mind will thank you. About a month in, I started noticing changes, and your future self will be so proud. There were days I ate fast food, days I didn't move, days I felt like giving up. But even better, I had gained control of my life again. My clothes fit better. Thanks so much for watching my journey. What mattered was that I didn't let one bad day turn into a bad week. I also found healthier ways to deal with cravings. Most importantly, I didn't aim for perfection. I aimed for consistency, seeing results without obsessing and mentally. I felt calmer, more focused, and proud of myself. I didn't weigh myself every day. In fact, I only checked the scale once every few weeks. I focused on how I felt, and that motivated me more than any number ever could. By the end of 3 months, I had lost 30 pounds. My advice to you, if you're watching this and struggling to lose weight, please know this. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need a six-pack. You don't need to be perfect. Go for a walk. Drink some water. Then do it again tomorrow. Your body will thank you. If this video helped or inspired you in any way, please give it a like. It really supports the channel. And if you want more real, honest videos about health, wellness, and weight loss, don't forget to subscribe.